Welcome back everyone. In today's video, we will use small friend subtraction concept for solving 2 by 2 digit and 3 by 3 digit numbers. To solve these problems, make sure you know the concept of small friend. I have shared the link of the small friend concept in the description below. Let us begin with the first question. 18 less 3. 18. 1 and 8 less 3. Now I have to check, do I have enough beads to less? Yes, I do have 3 beads. So less 3. So my answer is 15. Next one. 17 less 4. 17 less 4. Now, do I have enough beads? Can I do directly less 4? No, I can't. So, we have to follow the small friend concept. Do you remember the statement? Okay, it's less the boss 5, less the boss 5 and add 4's friend. Who's the friend of 4? 1. So my answer is 13. Okay, next question. 72 less 31. 72 less 31. We'll go one step at a time. Less 30. Do I have enough beads here? No, I need 3 beads. I don't have. So let's follow the statement. Less the boss 5 and add 3's friend. Who's the friend of 3? 2. And again less 1. Can I do it directly? Yes, I can do it directly. So my answer is 41. Next one. 86 less 40. 86. First place the number 86. Less 40. How will I do this? Okay. Less the boss 5 and add 4's friend. That is 1. So my answer is 46. Next one. 75 less 32. So step 1, 75. Replace the number here. 75 less 30. Do we have enough beads? Do we have 3 beads? 30? No. So follow the small friend subtraction. Less the boss 5 and add 3's friend. That is 2. Okay. And now it says 32. We need to again less 32. 2 from here. So same formula. Less the boss 5 and add 2's friend. That is 3. So my answer is 43. Next one. 65 less 44. 65 less 44. Now how will I do 44? Do I have enough beads? No. So again less the boss and add 4's friend. That is 1. Now again in the 1's place. Less the boss 5 and add 4's friend. That is 1. So my answer is 21. Next question. 96 less 53. 96 less 53. 50. Can we do it directly? Yes. 50 less and 3 we cannot do. So, less the boss 5 and add 3's friend, that is 2. So, my answer is 43. Now, let us solve 3 by 3 digit numbers. Okay. The first question, 366 less 232. So 366. We first place the question here. Less 232. We'll go one step at a time. So less 200. Can we do it? Yes. Less 200. 30. Can we do it here? No. So again the small friend formula applies. Less the boss and add 3's friend, that is 2. And again the last one, 2. We need to less 2 from here. Can we do it? No. Less the boss and add 2's friend, that is 3. So my answer is 134. Next question, 796 less 424. So 796 less 400. So again 400. Can we do it? No. So less the boss 5 and add 4's friend, that is 1. Now less 2. Can we do it from here? Yes, directly we can do it. Less 2. Again over here less 4. We cannot do directly. So again less the boss 5 and add 4's friend, that is 1. So my answer is 372. Next question, 652 less 310. So first thing we place the question, 652 less 300. One step at a time. Can we do it directly? No. So we go with the formula, the statement. Less the boss 5 and add 3's friend, that is 2. It says 310. Over here we need 1. Can we do it? No, this is 5. So again the formula, less the boss 5 and add 1's friend, that is 4. And my answer is 342. Okay, the last one, 955 less 613. 955 less 600. Can we do it directly? Yes. Less 613. We need to less here 10 from here. How will I do it? Less the boss and add 1's friend, that is 4. And the last one, I need to less 3. Again, less the boss 5 and add 3's friend, that is 2. So my answer is 342. I hope you're confident enough to solve 2 and 3 digit sums with the help of small friend subtraction. And this is the task for today. Kindly solve it and write the answers in the comments below. Also share this to someone who wants to learn abacus. Do consider recommending my channel. Feel free to give us your feedback. Thank you. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing and keep mastering the technique of abacus with Fatima. Allah Hafiz.